Đó là bởi tùy cao mình click on pass, mình click on video capture. See? Now that's a video 1, 2, 3 my connect to 4 camera. Rồi mình click add. See? That's a play camera. Xuân hiện tại. Nếu cho nên đến mai ở đâu đã cùng video hả? Đến mai ở đâu audio mà tụi anh click cái đĩa khang plus audio capture. Nếu cho mình mà cả tổng hơn ông đã tại bữa tụi tao xem một đâu nam bộ có quả nên mà chia bìa nên là nên mà feature nên mà chia bìa nên mà chỗ cần tao nó microphone tiền ai nên ra bữa tuần nó đang delete mình tôi giảm mình delete mình để ra mới lồng ra mới add second tôi nhấn nó tỉ ở ra mà click na audio video capture này webcam này hiện tại lên ra này thì tôi in camera tại lên ra mà add cái đĩa tóm camera nha audio kia nè mà nhanh nè Logitech webcam nó mà nhanh nè add lên thế bảo nhưng mà echo là này mà phải nó có đứng có nó chụp phone mà tụi nhanh ngay giờ tôi này mà echo là mình quên
rồi
mày lồng ra video ha
echo này giờ sẽ lồng tay ấy mà
echo này nó chỉ rằng non nó múm lồng qua lồng là vô biểu pha vô cần.
So all four camera are recording at the same time?
No, you have to make a switching. See, like here, you press this one, you have to press here to be recorded. Then you want to record this one, you have to press this one. When it's showing here, then you can press this space bar, or you press here. So you have to switch it. Don't matter how many camera. Okay. For example, we add another camera. See this, we have only that camera for our video one, this one from here. But you know, so for example, you have 4 camera in here. You press this one. See, that's a one camera, number 3. So you add another one. That's a number 4. But these are no camera. That's why it has a color bar. You add another one. That's a number. So then including this one, you have 5 camera. So you want this one out. You show in here, you have to press the super bar to be recorded. Okay? If you want this one, you want to record this one, then you press the super bar. See, this one it come up. If you want to go back this one, you press it. When you show this winner monitor, you press it. Go out here to record it. Or to go online, to go Facebook or YouTube. That's already explained in the tutorial. So this I just tell you again. So this when you talk, anyone this one's audio, but this when you talk, if you camera 4, 5 camera, you chứ mày nếu mày talk là nên ta lồng vậy nó cứ có thể là mình sẽ lòng sao. You get only one audio come out, that's it.
one for each time. Depend which one you pick.
Nếu tôi
Has a highlight on it. You can pick and record it.
See my highlight this one, then this one on this thing they call a preview right here, preview. So you have to switch it to live. You have to switch to live. If you press here in preview, it's not record. You have to press L or you press the space bar to go record it on live. So when you record, you put all this camera in, then you want to add a title. So you press here, get a overlay right here. See your title. You press title. When the title come up, then you choose the title. That's already in a tutorial. You have to learn from tutorial. See, the title come up, but it's not recorded yet. This is only preview, so you can fix all everything here then before you send to recording or send to live. So you wanna fix this one. It says title. See right here. Thì vẫn nó cái lắm số nó mà chủ ngang nó vừa làm tiêm na liền na liền nằm giảm số tài giờ na nên thay đồ này liền do mình thiếu tiền mẹ liền do ha nó giải na mẹเลยmà thiếu nó mà anh click vào này see another title. So you click again, change again. Then coming soon. You want to change something else? Okay. If you don't, just leave it like this. Like you have something coming. Then you fix everything done. You want to send to recording or send to live? You just press here or you can press here, it go out. Now it go live on Facebook or YouTube. But those you have another step, but it's more complicated. So I don't teach those. So when everything you finish, then you want title go away. You just this is a clear layer. See, you have to select here to get the record. When you want to go away, you just click, then press, you go away. If you want a title, spinning title come in, you press here, you change something like a zoom, you press, see, the title zooming in. That's a effect for title. Or you can change the different, see. Most broadcasts, they only use cut or fade, smooth, that's all.
So how do you get the background right now on you right now while you're recording?
Okay, you want background on for, okay, we take out here. That's already in tutorial, so I show you before. When you want a background, then you highlight this one, okay? There's a two way to do it. I already did in the tutorial.
But you have to do the background before while you're recording live?
Yeah, you do everything be done, then you set the recording, then you have to switch one by one to play it. Then after you finish everything, then you set stop right here. You record here, you stop here. Okay, let me show you how to. This only we have to set up everything before you make a recording or go live. Okay, if you want this one in a studio, okay, we have to move this one down, move the microphone down, so you can have this one. You press here, then okay, let's see, media. We import his. You see, you highlight, you press, you go media file, you go browse this. That's already in tutorial. So you go to this too. See a studio.
Video.
See, that's your studio right here. See, that's a studio. So you, let me see, you in front or in back? No. You have to highlight your picture before you scrolling down. See that you put your picture. Now you're not track 2, you put background. You're not track 3. Nếu chúng ta mày ở chỗ nó mày phải chuối nó mày chủ highlight cho mình nhé video này, mình nhé picture without camera này, nếu nó mày show nó gì này, show nó gì, ta nếu cho mày move ta chuối này right here.
But it still has whatever background that you have.
Yeah, whatever your background you have, then that's a meaning.
Mài đến tệ xuống nó mài.
No, that's because he don't have a blue screen or green screen. He have blue screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. When he sit on a blue screen, then when picture with a blue screen blue screen on the back. So when you want to take out the blue screen on the back, you just highlight the picture này. Nếu cho mày go here. That. Click here. Then press this one to make it this way. Okay, let me more easy get my green screen. Let me get my green screen so more easy for you to understand. Here, see? You come to here, you crop right here. You click here, then that's a left, you crop left. Take out left. So right, you take out right. Okay, top, you take out top. See? Now, if we have a bigger screen, then it's okay. We don't have to crop, but it's a small screen. And we have to crop it. See? Like that?
Yeah.
Then you just highlight the camera. So you come to here. Now we take out the green screen. You click there, see? All green screen gone, right?
Yeah.
So you can even you see still have a little
The last
bubble
part after my highlight, they click here.
right here.
Use
a green screen. Okay, step again. From here, right? From here, you highlight your camera. You come to this one right here. Click there. You come out. Use a chroma key. Then you click use a chroma key. See, it's gone. So you can adjust clear. No, just adjust a little bit. Make it clearer, or smoother, whatever you can adjust. on it. So when you certify, then it's okay. Then when you certify, you make it small to sit on your studio. See, like that. So when your camera facing him, shooting him, talking, then you make everything in here. Finish, you change. So recording now. That's how you go live. Then if you want to add title, see right there. See? Now he's talking on the news. Right? So that's one way. You can do two way of superimpose. Okay, we forget this one, okay?
Encore superimpose làm chiều bàiซึ่งน้ำหนังที่ไว้คือก็ตัวกัน
Okay, superimpose นั่นแต่ห้างแต่น้ำไม่ต่อ another video put on top another video.
overlap
Overlap. That's why they call it superimpose. That's why the green screen superimpose onto the another studio screen. That's why they call superimpose. Okay. You can do two way superimpose.
Okay,
we forget this one.
so chứ mà cái con
Okay. Now already you have tutorial me lah. You tell how now you get little bit, right? Little bit information, right?
A
Nothing.
little bit, but I still don't.
Okay.
I mean, how much?
Bây giờ cái tiền liệu nó mới mảng rồi mới mảng mới tutorial rồi mới chẳng số là. The another way to do superimpose. Okay, we get out this one. There. We make this one big again. So we don't use this one. I'll show you another superimpose. Okay.
the second superimpose the first one show already.
Okay, this one. So when you click this one camera, then you come out here. See that the layer? Come here. That's the second way. Another way to add superimpose, add studio in. Then you click cast. You go to media file, browse it, add. See, that's another. So you find another
Background.
another studio.
Which one? I got pick one.
See? Then this one, if a studio on top, that means you cannot superimpose, you have to bring it down. So you highlight it, make it arrow down, like that. See, you on top of the studio, right? So you same thing. You have to highlight your video, your camera, make it small. Make it small to sit on your studio. You can make two way, either way.
Okay, that's a very important
Yeah.
point right there.
See? You can put on here or you can put on top here. If you want to put here, you put on the track under your camera. If you want use this method, you have to highlight your camera. Then, for example, you want this one on Studio 2, right? For example, you want that one on Studio, you same thing. Click here, then add a media, add a Studio. Then for see.
Yeah, I don't get none of this.
You don't get it? You add another one. So different background. See? Then you have to bring it down. Highlight it, bring it down. Then you are on top so you have to highlight your video. Highlight here to make your video small. See? Then go sit on your studio. So you get two camera on two superimpose. So in this also you just click. See? Just a different one. See? So you can set up everything. Then when you done everything, title, background, everything done, then ready to record, then you come in out here. Set output setting. See? Then like I told you, you can go YouTube live, Facebook live, Twitter, Vimeo. Those are you have. When you go YouTube, you have to log in YouTube. Then your username, your password, log in YouTube. They give you special number. Then you have to come back here, put it in. So make it harder for you, more confusing for you to understand. So I don't teach those. I just teach you how to record to this. Record to this MP4. You set in there, then you click OK. Then where you want to record it to. So you browse here. So when you come out, you click on this. Then there's a tutorial, video screen, recording, practice. So you click recording. So you give your name. Give the name of the video. Say my first practice video. See? When you click finish, you click save. Then you click OK. Now you already set. So then you click record. Okay, let's record. You click record. Now it's recording. So you start changing your title. You start playing around, you know, one by one. You have to play until these movies end.
So while he's talking, you
While you're talking, let him talking. You just switch all this over different camera. Switch to recording. Recording. Any video showing here is already recording.
yeah, but why would you want to switch all around just to get different angle?
No, this one. There's a camera. There's the angle, right?
Yeah.
When you sit down, then you each camera you face a different way. That's the angle. You understand that, right?
Yeah, I hear what you're saying, but
Yeah.
why would you want to switch all the camera while you
Because you want different angle, right? You want to see front face. You want to see a right face.
Sideways.
Sideways,
Left or
back,
right.
forth, you know, that's how, even only one person, but he want when talk in different angle. That's why you have to switch different camera, different angle to record it. Any show in here is not record, you have to send to here to record it. So when you finish recording, you have to, after you play every single one finish, then when you finish all switching all the video timeline, don't matter how long, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, until you finish all, you switch one by one, until you finish, then you click stop.
Mấy hiếu, nó đi có nhiều người mấy hiếu.
He's not teaching me, teaching you.
I know, but okay.
Okay, you look at what I just tell you, there's a recording, okay? See here we record, I stop recording. So you look at the recording. When you go file, click it. You see the video disc, recording, right? We recording here, right? See, right there. So you want to go see again? You click here, then I set into the recording video, right? So you click there, see, that's the video we just, I just teach you, that's rendered. So you click it, right there, it's playing right there. Now you get the video into this, then you go YouTube. Go YouTube, log in YouTube, come back here, load it on YouTube channel. That's the way you do it before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. When everything is finished, then that's a video you have to go YouTube. Or if you still need more editing, then you close this one. Okay? This one you already record to the hard disk. Then you finish this one, then you go back to this one. That's editing right here. We close it. Then you click here, full mode. Then bring your video, come here, put in the timeline to editing. You open here, click here, import media, right here, import media. Then you have to find where you record your video to. That's the video disc, right there. That's a video disc right there, D2. Recording video, that's we just record earlier. See? You highlight it, click open, you import to here. See, that's already in here. So you put it down to the timeline. See? You put it down to the timeline, then you make another editing. That's how everything already in a tutorial you have to learn. See? In here. So you still can do editing here. If you want add title, wherever you are add title, you put a cursor here, this line, red line here. You have put in from beginning or put from where, then you click that, you click a title. See, we have different title here. If you still want to add more title, this already teach in the tutorial, so you have to learn from that. See, you have another lower third. See, then you bring it down here. Any video track or title track, you can put a video track or title track, you can put anyone. Then you highlight it, you click a designer. See, it come out another screen for you to change the title. You click this one, you change in here, the title here. So, see, you change in here, then you click this one, you change here again. Okay, here. Full, okay. Then you want this one, you click here, then you change again. Studio. So I will just okay. When you finish it, you finish it, you want play to see or see? When you specify, you just click OK. Now it come out here, okay, it's already in there. So when you play, see, the title come out. This one we make earlier, so you know we don't just forget it. We just learn from this one. Now you add another title. If you wanna make a flying title, see, you can put a picture or video. So for example, you want to put picture down here. Picture you can make in a long and short. So you want to put between the flying title, you click in here, you go to here, right here. That's effect, transition. Then you see all the flying title, everything. See? See? So you drag it. This right, this left mouse, this right mouse. So you click left mouse, click, bring it down. Put it here. See? When you put it here, you play. You see? See? That's how you make a title fly away. You know, you can make one by one.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. So you can make one by one. Add it. So even video, photo, everything you just put in a timeline, and that's our media. So you have to go back down here. That's how. So this when you put, you make all video. Then when your video finish, then you come back to put a effect, transition. So see. So you drag it down, put it between here. Okay, you have to highlight it. Drag it down, put it between here. See? See? That's the default. If you want it fly faster or slower, you make it longer. See? You press a plus, you go straight. Then you click on the effect. So you see the arrow left and right, you drag it longer. So it flies slower. If it's shorter, it flies faster. So mình bang it down in đại cả tồn. Có mà trộn it năng in đại cả siêu. So mà bang it thế, thì slow thế. Có mà trộn it năng in đại siêu nha. Có mà ở lồng down mà ở tồn nó mà bang it down. Mày là phát xuống mà hiu nó mày hai bang nó mày straight นั่นนะ นี่ go การเรียนก็ไม่จะสแปงถุยนะคือที่นะถุยหน้าหอบอ่ะเขานะนี่แต่นี่จะยาวถึงอ่ะยังทุเรียนยาวถึงอ่ะเดี๋ยวไม่น่าคลิกจะน่าเรียนอะไรนี่เนี่ยเป็นแอโร่จะมาหลงดาวหลงนั่งเรามาโซ่นั่นนี่ก็โซ่นั่งนั่นนี่ได้เสียบแปงดาวนั่นได้ตุนไม่ฟิกเหรียญนอมแต่ฟิกว่าน้อง same thing มาจุดคลิกที่ไหน Ni highlight cái liền tao mày tay. Tao na mình nghe đâu bao chia nạc quả nên ta phải nên arrow left and right này. Mà lông nên tổn na mà tụi bang down nên tổn na. You look, it's slow, see? It's slow. So you want change it, you don't like this one, you change it, you want change it, you highlight it, then go find another one. You find another one, drag on it, replace it, see? Then see, you change. So these are basic editing. When you put a title in, you put a effect in, then when you want talk, you may to change everything để mà con vào với. Then you have to highlight this one right here. Click this one. Then mày con giờ hài mình mày xong mày cursor nè. Mà có giống con này có mà con giờ hai năm tỏ nó mày ngang này giống nay nó mày start recording ạ. Anyway, you have to click record. They say they start recording right here.
Mày
con chứ mình start cho con chứ mình record chứ mình liền cho thà màyแต่nó màyปวดนิ่ม play chứ mình thả màyแต่con thả play chứ mình còn thả con thảแต่ฟังมายวิดีโอต้องเรียนจะทำให้ click stop then see it record in there. So when you want to listen to recording, click it back here. See that's already recording there. Then stop. You see it start recording right here. Này mày con chứ mình giờ start cho con chứ mình record chứ mìnhเรียนจะทำให้แต่เราไม่ปวดนิ่ม play chứ mình thảมันแต่con thả play chứ mình còn thả con thảแต่ฟังในวิดีโอต้องหรือจะทำให้คลิกสต็อปเฮ้ยเสียงเลยนะเนี่ย
น้าไม่เล่นนั่งเราให้เวลเจ้าว่าเนี่ยโฮมเมดวิดีโอเตะจะได้ตับนะฮะเมื่อกล้องลองน้ำฟังนะหิ้งว่าโอเค
ไม่มาโอโมวีจะให้ยุ่งไม่ถ้าว่าไม่จังแค่กล้องเท้าเอามาหมางว่าเจ้าว่าตาจันไทยกล้องถ่ายจังแค่แต่ปูว่านี่กล้องจะมีบ้านนี่thiếu cho phẳng mình con cho mình đấy để that's a safety mình chọnแต่phẳng an rồi quả liền ra mày play chứ mình play chứ mình liềnแต่phẳng xuất chứ mình là mày con cái đĩa con quả cái đĩa ăn chứ mình liền ra mày ăn music ok nên thế là mày ăn tí tiền background music của mày con chứ quả mình mà tí tiền background music với you have put right here this track right here so you will go back here then you can import files có mày music do mày this là mày tại click ra import open media เลยรอมาอยู่ music ก็ไม่ record อย่างนั้นไม่ hard disk นะไม่รอ music นี่ record อย่างนั้น from there if you don't have it then you wanna custom music right here background music
เนี่ยนะคนนั้นทำไมไหน
แล้วแต่นั้นไม่กล้า music เราไม่เคยไปยิน music แล้วไม่มองกับข้างนอกมาอ่อยเนี่ยมา highlight เนี่ยThen a background music ก็มาอ่อยนะมาจะดาวน์โหลดเนี่ยมาเปิดให้เอาลงดาวน์นะมาจะคลิกดาวน์โหลดseeมาจะคลิกดาวน์โหลด now you check mark is already downloaded so you have to put it down to the audio track any audio track you can put it on a music track right here music track here or any the one speaker microphone that mean a speaker phone you can put it any track mà ha cho anh diễn 5 track là tôi phải any na speaker na mà anh thế nhé hai anh title track hai anh na video track haตัวนั้นสปานมาในมาไมโครโฟนแต่นำอันตัวเสียงนะนอมนั่นนี่มา music side นะมาได้ตัวไปมาอันเตะตัวเรียนทำไมนี่มาเช็คจะมา background music นี่เรียนจะทำอะไรนี่thà mày con chứ mình nó mà lồng na music na file thế mà lồng file thế nó mà highlight cái này okay that's in video track tools audio so you go back here right there click here that's the audio right audio that's a track that's a track 2 oh no this one track 2 audio right there track 2 audio you you put it down you highlight it put it down a little bit
pulling down
yeah put it down so you know it will be less cà phê đấy nhá bạn You can put it down here or you can
You think you start
either put this one down here. The นี่เงี้ยว่านี่มาว่าdot นะไป put หน้า dot นั่นดาวเนี่ยตู้
Okay.
you can do many different way you know see you bring the dot down then the audio will be lower see เมื่อปุ่นนี่ไฟเนี่ยเลยมาก้องจังหวะมิงปฏิมาที่เรียน background นี่
you
ก้อง
think
จะมิ
you
งนี่
start
ว่า
recording right here
Then
now
now
my con cho mình rồi
ทำอย่างนี้ได้แต่ไม่ให้ปรับพื้นนะ you can make it slow lower see that's the dot you see the red dot right there so you pull it down see that's a red dot pull it down this side too see when you see a red dot stick to here you pull it down see pull it down so make it cấm bùi nha
Okay, make it.
Đấy, đây là cấm đồ nào bùi
now
này
my con cho mình rồi
Tên này ác hồ
đến giờ hàng này
Trên tay chưa
thì cái mình thải mình để có thải
Along đồ hả như kìa, đồ hả như phải hả lô
là
quá
mấy gì mà lồng đà thôi
adjust the
mấy
voice
quả nó mà lồng đà lô đà phải mà adjust liền ta hắn nói everything tiếng á ok mà hai everything done á liền tôi nói mày go back to media center okay you editing the whole movie 1 hour 2 hour don't matter if it's done then that's a two way if you want burn this burn pen DVD file Blu-ray no click here
You gotta create this
create this they come back right here nên ta hắn nói giống cho nó này menu this có mà I'll try to preview nó mà start na preview na you try to start play như này then when you burn the DVD by Blu-ray that's exactly when you put it in the player like that. You can change this too then you want play that's only it only play the menu so you have to play here use a Levocato start play it play now that's the actual movie
Nhưng mà nó mà tông bua cả tạm bữa cái nhé dung bìa và tạm hả
ta bật cái zoom phía ok
tạm bữa dung bìa cả tên thế
này mày
cái tạm bìaจะบ background ฟ้าหันยังไงป้าว่า
con cho mình
tạm bìa
ถ้า
zoom
ปัญญามาตาวิฟันตี
ok này
thì cái mình thải mình để có thải thì cái con thải có thải
ok wait stop here ok nó là sự can ok now my burn pen this right here if you this how long you this why
อาจารย์ว่าตัวจำแต่มีเบิร์นดิสอ๋อ
what happened she
ไหนว่านี่มี attachment น้ำตองว่า misconnect